What if I told you the secret to turning your car into an ice-cold sanctuary doesn't cost thousands, but as little as $10? Even crazier, sometimes it costs nothing at all. For years, shady repair shops have convinced drivers that a weak AC means expensive, complicated fixes. But that's a lie. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 10 hidden AC secrets that can transform your car from a suffocating furnace into a rolling freezer. And stay tuned, because at the end I'll reveal 2 costly mistakes drivers make that could destroy your AC system and leave you with a $2,000 repair bill. Let's jump in. Tip number 10. Clean the condenser. Your car's condenser is like the heart of its cooling system. Its entire job is to pull the heat out of the refrigerant so your car can breathe cold air. But here's the problem. It sits right at the front of your car, directly in the path of every bug, every leaf, and every speck of road debris. Over time, all that gunk bakes onto the hot metal like glue, trapping heat and making your AC struggle. Worse, that extra strain forces your compressor to work overtime. And if that fails, you're staring at a $1,200 bill. The fix is simple. Grab a pressure hose and a brush, but let your car cool first. You don't want your skin anywhere near that scorching metal. Rinse the dirt away at medium pressure, then use the brush for the stubborn bits. Leave it to dry fully before driving again. Do this and you'll feel the difference instantly, but we're just warming up. If you're enjoying this, a quick subscribe means a lot. Tip number 9. Clean the AC inlet. This one is about comfort and health. That little vent at the base of your windshield, that's where your AC breathes. If you park under trees or drive dusty roads, it can get clogged with leaves and grime. And in damp conditions, that buildup turns into a breeding ground for mold. If you've ever wondered why your car smells like a basement, this is probably why. For a simple clean, just brush away the debris. But if you're dealing with musty air, do this. Remove the cabin filter. Turn your AC fan to low with windows rolled down. Spray a disinfectant like Lysol into the inlet. The fan will pull the spray through your vents, killing off the hidden bacteria. Once done, you'll breathe easier and drive cooler. Tip number 8. Let the heat escape. There's a myth many drivers fall for. Pre-cooling your car by running the AC before you get in. Sure, it feels good at first, but it's a trap. Here's the truth. Every hour your car idles with the AC running burns about half a gallon of fuel, and all that strain shortens the life of your compressor. Instead, here's the smart way. Get in, switch your AC to its lowest setting, roll the windows down, and let the trapped heat escape for about 15 seconds. Then crank the fan speed and quickly roll the windows up. This relieves pressure on your AC, cools the cabin faster, and saves you money. But that's just the beginning, because the next tip is a game changer. Tip number 7. Use the recirculation button. This little button is one of the most misunderstood features in any car. Many people think it's pointless or even leave it off. But in reality, it's the fastest way to cool your car on a scorching day. Instead of pulling and sweltering outside air, it recycles the chilled air already inside your cabin. That means quicker cooling, less fuel burned, and less strain on your battery. Plus, it blocks nasty exhaust fumes from creeping inside when you're stuck in traffic. The only drawback, rear passengers won't feel the chill as much. If you've got people in the back, toggle it off. Otherwise, keep it on and enjoy the icy blast. Tip number 6, replace the cabin air filter. Think of this filter as your car's lungs. It blocks dust, pollen, smog, and even foul odors from invading your cabin. But over time, it clogs up. When that happens, your AC has to fight harder, your air quality plummets, and in some cases, mold starts growing inside. Manufacturers recommend swapping it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, and don't pay a mechanic $50 for something you can do in 5 minutes. Most modern cars keep it behind the glove box, and all you need is a $20 replacement. A simple change, and suddenly your AC breathes free again. Tip number 5, park smarter. Here's something most drivers don't realize. On an 80-degree Fahrenheit day, the inside of your car can skyrocket past 115 degrees Fahrenheit in less than an hour. That means when you finally start your AC, it's fighting a losing battle. Solution? Park in the shade whenever possible. Better yet, invest in a windshield sunshade. It can lower your car's interior temperature by as much as 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That's less strain on your compressor, less fuel burned, and less time spent sweating. And the best part, a quality sunshade costs under $10. Tip number 4, refill the refrigerant. Here's a little known fact, refrigerant doesn't expire. In a perfect world, it should last forever. But no system is perfectly sealed, which means leaks are inevitable. When that happens, shady mechanics love to scare drivers into $300 recharge services or even push for unnecessary part replacements. Don't fall for it. Instead, buy a DIY recharge kit for about $40 and handle it yourself. Just be sure to use R134A. It's reliable, safe, and far cheaper than newer alternatives. With one can, you'll have icy air blowing in no time. Tip number 3, check your coolant. This one surprises a lot of drivers. Coolant doesn't directly cool your cabin, but without it, your AC won't run. Here's why. When your engine overheats from low coolant, many cars automatically shut down the AC compressor to protect the system. So if your vents suddenly start blowing hot air, don't panic. Check your coolant first. Tip number 2, inspect the cooling fans behind your grill. Sit the unsung heroes of your AC system, the radiator fans. Their job is to keep air flowing over your condenser. Without them, heat builds up and your AC shuts down. Most cars have 2 fans. If only one is spinning, your system will limp along for a bit, but not for long. Replacing both with aftermarket fans can cost under $100 compared to $500 at a dealership. So next time your AC feels weak, pop the hood, switch on the AC, and make sure both fans are spinning strong. Tip number 1, check the fan belt. This one's a wallet saver. The fan belt, or serpentine belt, ties your AC compressor to the engine. If it slips or cracks, your compressor can't spin properly. That means poor cooling at best, or a complete compressor failure at worst, which could cost up to $2,000. Check your belt regularly. If it looks cracked, loose, or squeals when running, replace it. A new one costs around $60. Pocket change compared to a new compressor. 2 costly mistakes to avoid. Now that you know how to turn your car into an icebox, here are 2 mistakes that can quietly destroy your AC. Not using your AC for weeks at a time. It may feel like you're saving money, but idle seals dry up, refrigerant leaks, and the compressor corrodes. Run your AC for a few minutes every week, even in winter, pointing the vent directly at your face. It feels cooler at first, but it slows down air circulation and makes your AC work harder. Plus, it dries out your skin and throat. Instead, angle the side vents toward the windows and the center vents upward for even cooling.